This week in Practical AI, AWS and OpenAI announced a deeper partnership that pulls frontier models and codecs into Amazon Bedrock. Adobe pushed further into agentic creativity with Firefly AI Assistant. And Val Kilmer's daughter is defending the use of AI to complete a posthumous screen performance her father believed could set a precedent. If you want the signal without the sludge, here's what matters. I'm Digital Kevin. This is the short version of AI news for builders, creators, and operators trying to keep up with what actually matters in the real world. Kevin is busy working on the next practical AI stories behind the scenes. He reads all of your comments. Story 1. AWS and OpenAI just made enterprise AI a lot more practical. Amazon says the latest OpenAI models are coming to Amazon Bedrock, Codex is coming to Bedrock, and Bedrock managed agents powered by OpenAI are launching in limited preview. That matters because this is not just another model availability announcement. It is about bringing OpenAI's frontier models and coding agent into the AWS environments enterprises already trust for security, governance, compliance, and spend control. Amazon is also framing Codex as one of the clearest examples of an AI agent doing real work inside the enterprise, and says more than 4 million people now use Codex every week. My practical takeaway, the AI market is moving from model excitement to operational embedding. The companies that make powerful models easy to govern inside real infrastructure are going to have an advantage. Story 2. Adobe is making a strong case that agentic AI is becoming part of the creative workflow, not just a side feature. On April 15th, Adobe introduced Firefly AI Assistant, powered by what it calls a creative agent. The pitch is simple. You describe the outcome you want, and the assistant orchestrates complex multi-step work across Firefly and Adobe's creative apps through one conversational interface. That is a bigger deal than it sounds, because the real shift is not just image generation or video generation, it is the move from individual AI tools to workflow orchestration inside the tools creative teams already use. My takeaway, Adobe is trying to own the layer between intent and execution. And for builders and creators, that is where a lot of the next value will sit. Story 3 is your weird news and AI entry, but it is also more important than it looks. Mercedes Kilmer is defending the use of AI to recreate her late father Val Kilmer's performance in an upcoming indie film. Her argument is not just emotional. She said her father wanted to help set a precedent so actors could structure licensing rights around their likeness and voice. That is the part I think matters, because the AI debate in entertainment is slowly moving from "is this weird" to who controls the rights, who gets paid, and what counts as ethical use. My takeaway, this is one of the clearest examples yet of AI shifting from novelty into licensing, consent, and ownership policy. Funny, strange, uncomfortable, and probably very important. So that is the through line this week. AI is getting deeper into trusted infrastructure, deeper into professional creative workflows, and deeper into the legal and ethical rules around identity. That is why practical AI matters, not just what launched, but what the launches are telling us about where the real power, risk, and opportunity are moving. Thanks for watching.